Curious about how an air source heat pump is installed? Well then keep watching. We've partnered up with CB Heating to show you the full heat pump installation process. On day 1, the installer will arrive bright and early, ready to begin work. They'll discuss your design plan with you and explain the work ahead. They'll then unbox your new heat pump and begin prepping their tools and equipment. They'll also lay down dust sheets or protection to prevent damage and begin to drain the system. Your equipment may have been delivered before installation day or on day 1. Whatever you've requested, there will often be 2 pallet loads of equipment. After unboxing the unit to check for any damage, the installers can make a start, installing your new heat pump. At the end of each day, the installers will tidy up as much as possible, so you can enjoy the rest of your evening. Day 2. In some situations, a solid base or soakaway may need to be provided before we visit. This will have been discussed and arranged beforehand during the design process. Now the units are in place, the installation of cables and pipes can start on the outdoor and indoor units. For a short period of time, your home's electricity will need to be switched off while the electricians work on certain parts of the system. But don't worry, the electricians will always try to keep this switchover as quick as possible to minimize any inconvenience. Day 3. You may choose to have some radiators upgraded to increase your heat pump's efficiency. If this has been arranged, the installers will fit your new radiators during the installation process. The installers will do everything they can to install the heat pump system before removing your boiler, so you're not left without heating and hot water for long. This process will include removing your old boiler and switching over to your new heat pump system. We'll cap off the gas to the boiler, so if you use gas for cooking, you're still operational. Day 4. On the final day of installation, your installer will carry out the commissioning of the system, as well as setting up the controls. Commissioning can consist of purging air from the system, checking the temperature of all radiators, checking hot water temperatures, and filling up the system. Now that everything's up and running, the installer will hand over the system and answer any questions you may have. You'll be walked through each component and shown how to use the heating controls. The installer will also help you download the app for your device. Once you're happy with your new system, you can sign it off with the installer on our app. The installers will then start to tidy up and remove all rubbish from site. Once the installation has been completed, you'll be sent all the handover information on a USB stick. To find out more information, please visit the EDF website.